This is for Facebook, Austin.
Gotta do it.
Nice bum, where you from?
Yep. You got it all over my shirt, my arms. It's inside me right now.
That's...
Where did you put it?
I don't know where the cap is.
I'm going to bed. I have a headache.
Wait, find it. Don't do that, it's gonna explode.
Joey, come here. Come here. Come here.
The hell's the cap? Where's that paintball mask? This is mine. Keep it there. Got it. You just touched my butthole. You just touched my butthole. You just...
No, I don't want to touch it. No. This works.
That's disgusting.
This works, John. This works. Let's go. Go on, dude.
Oh, man.
No, go on. Let's go. 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 Stop. Dude, look at me. Wait, stop it.
Facebook official. Calm down, because he can wake his pants up. I need to get back a little bit. I need to get back.
How long? 2 seconds. Alright.
So gross. That's old Kool-Aid. 2-year-old Kool-Aid that we found in Mason's fridge. That's disgusting. Hold on, let me turn the flash off. Let me see the cap.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Let me see it. It smells so bad. Oh my God. Let me get a whiff just for a good time's sake. Ready?
Alright, that's horrible. I'm warning you now. Stop. That's so gross.
Stop it. Save it. Save it before you do anything.